Guys, you know how you spend time getting your product photos just right. But when it comes to video ads, you're stuck with a flat static image on the screen, no movement, no story, nothing that really makes people stop scrolling. Now imagine this, you upload that same picture and hit generate. A moment later, you have got a smooth, cinematic product clip with camera moves, depth, and ad-ready pacing. That opening shot you're seeing right now was created exactly like that from a single image using Keevx's image-to-video feature. I am Daniel, and in today's video, I'll show you what Keevx is and how this image-to-video thing actually works. We'll also talk about how it can save you a ton of time and money. That's especially important for e-commerce sellers, solo creators, and small teams who don't have a full production crew. By the end, you'll know whether this tool deserves a place in your content workflow. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump in. Alright folks, let's start with the basics. Keevx is a SaaS platform for AI-powered video creation, built specifically for e-commerce and marketing. It's made for people who live inside product listings, ad managers, and content calendars, and need new creatives all the time. Guys, here's what makes it powerful. The tool generates scripts for your clips, gives you customizable digital avatars and ready-made templates. Then the platform instantly adapts your content for TikTok, YouTube, and Amazon, all without any filming. The image-to-video feature focuses on one simple but powerful idea. It takes a single product picture and automatically turns it into a dynamic visual. The AI analyzes your photo, then adds camera movement and subtle visual effects. In the end, mates, you get a short clip that looks like it was shot with a moving rig in a studio. No cameras, no lights, no big crew, just your image and the Keevx engine doing the heavy lifting. If you're selling on Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, or running ads on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, that's a game changer. Instead of paying for a full video shoot every time you launch or test a product, you reuse the photos you already have and turn them into scroll-stopping clips. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring, and in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. So, how does this actually look in practice? You start on the Keevx website and log into your account. The dashboard is clean and focused on product and social clips, so you go straight into the AI product video section. This is where everything happens, mates. Then you upload your product image. Friends, in this example, I am using a simple lifestyle shot of wireless earbuds on a desk. Nothing fancy, just the kind of photo most sellers already have. The platform shows you a preview, so you can check that everything looks sharp before generating anything. Next, you tell the AI what you want. There's a prompt field where you describe the style and mood. Folks, you don't need to be a director, you just give Keevx a short description and it translates that into camera moves and effects. After that, you can refine the shot with a couple of quick drop-downs. Choose a camera movement, like a slow zoom in or a gentle pan. Pick the shot type and set the camera angle, whether you want it at eye level or a bit more dramatic. You also choose how long the video should be, 4, 6, or 8 seconds, and the output quality. I go straight for 1080p to keep everything crisp. Then you hit generate. Guys, Keevx analyzes the image, builds a virtual camera path, and adds motion around the product. On your side, you just wait for the preview to appear. No timelines, no keyframes, no manual animation. Now you can see the before and after. You can see the Keevx version, where the camera glides toward the earbuds. The angle shifts slightly, and the background blur changes like you shot it with a real lens. With a short tagline and a call to action at the end, that same photo suddenly feels like a real ad. Folks, once you have a style that fits your brand, you can repeat the process for other products. Think about an online skincare store with a bunch of static photos. This time, instead of writing the prompt yourself, you hit the Help to Write button. Keevx looks at the image, like the bottles or the textures. AI automatically generates a detailed prompt that describes what's in the frame and what should happen in the shot. Then you quickly tweak all the settings so it matches your brand. Mates, with just a single photo, you've turned a static product shot into a polished video ready for your ads, reels, and product pages. If you're already using other Keevx tools, like AI spokesperson videos for tutorials or training, these image-to-video clips slide in perfectly as B-roll. You can cut between someone explaining the benefits and a dynamic product shot without touching heavy editing software. Guys, let's put it side by side. On the one hand, a static image on your product page, and on the other, a Keevx-generated video with depth, motion, and pacing that actually feels like an ad. That jump in impact is exactly what this feature is built to deliver. The nice surprise is the pricing. Image-to-video used to cost 3 credits per second, but after a 65% cut, it's now just 1 credit per second. That means even the $19.90 beginner plan with 210 credits gives you about 3.5 minutes of clip. Compared with a high-end model like VO3, your price per second here is roughly 4 times lower. Moreover, this platform can also translate your visuals into 70+ languages with one click. If you need more video without more shooting days, Keevx's image-to-video feature is absolutely worth a try. One picture, one clip, bringing your products to life and boosting your sales. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.